Olori Anu don cry come outside say Nigeria pipo make una help am o. Say Alaafin Oyo wan try to kpeme and wan try to dey send pipo make dem kidnap am o. Say e no dey fit dey waka free again o. Say she no get rest of mind again o. Make Nigeria pipo make dem come help am o. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. Those of una when I don't know Alaafin Oyo na one of the Yoruba king for Yoruba land. And those of una when I don't know Olori Anu na one of the Alaafin Oyo wife wey be say she don already run comot for palace. Olori Anu don cry come outside say people for world, Nigeria people, Yoruba people, may na get up, may dem come help am o. Say she no dey fit dey waka free again. Say without wey be say she no go dey look back. Say she no dey fit dey sleep. Say Alaafin Oyo don send it because Alaafin Oyo she no give address to anybody, both her family, nobody know where she dey. Say because Alaafin Oyo send people make dem come kidnap am, say dem no come see am. Say that they threaten am wey be say dem wan even kpeme as Alaafin send people make dem come kpeme if she no come back to palace. Say by marriage no be by force. Say make Alaafin Oyo leave her. No be say she no wan make her children see Alaafin Oyo, but she wan make the children see the Alaafin Oyo with the right time. Say no be by say Alaafin Oyo go dey threaten her say wan kpeme if she no come back to palace. Say she no dey safe again. Say in case anything happen to no harm, make dem know say na Alaafin Oyo na im cause am o. Say na Alaafin Oyo na im cause am. She say Alaafin Oyo send people go meet im family for house. Say na God say make im family run comot for house. Say they don carry im family comot for where they dey. Say because Alaafin Oyo don threaten im family. Say if she no come back to palace, wetin go happen to am? Say na different cause, different juju na dem don take swear for am. So my people, make I read wetin Olori Anu write for her Instagram page wey be say she post. She dey beg people, dey cry out make people come help am. Say if anything happen to she and her children, say make dem go hold the king. Go say na Alaafin Oyo na im cause am o, na im make something happen to she and her children. Say because e no go fit because of say Alaafin Oyo make e no kpeme am. Say make she come dey dey for marriage wey be say she no dey happy, wey be say she no get rest of mind, she no get peace. Post for her Instagram as she take cry come outside. Na dey see for scream. So if they tell them this young lady na no go hear because say una dey lazy, oju kokoro atenuje, e no make una know una right again from left because of una impatient. Now go school, you graduate, you no wan go work, you just decided to go stay with this old man. You know say this man say he old, say okay oh, you know they happy. Why you go dey grant interview up and down say the king dey make you dey happy? Na so the king dey caring. Na so the king dey caring. Now you see they cry, they come outside, say nobody dey your shoe, nobody push you enter. Now you carry yourself go give the king. The king say he no propose to any of una. The king say he no even toast una. Say now go finish school, na go say na no dey go again. Say na wan stay for palace. Before na know na go just born. If una born finish, na go come dey talk say the king no dey fit dey wash the underwear. He no dey clean the underwear. You no know say na that man na 82 years old man. 82 years old man wey dey with 8 women for palace. How you expect that 82 years old man may take wine in waist? Can't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't go know say before you go even reach your turn, 4 months turn knack. And this king said they get your own things wey be say they do. A lot of visitors wey be say go attend to. Before you come say attend to now for night. Now come they carry appointment, they do the year photo shoot, they confuse us for Instagram. Like say na they happy. And no they happy. Wetin me get to talk for this matter be say Olori Anu, now you fair grant interview that time we thought say the king na very nice person. Oh, the king na very caring person. Na so they say send in palace guards where they bring food, come they give you. Now so the king they very nice. King, now you be the king oxygen. Say the king now train you go school. The king you don't learn a lot of things for that palace, about Yoruba culture. The king don put you through a lot of good things wey be say you no even expect say you go jam. So all those interview wey you dey grant that time na fake. So you no dey happy, we no dey your shoe that time. Now you come dey deceive us. You wan see deceive another young girls wey dem see enter the same marriage wey you enter. Now when the shoe don overhurt you, the thing don overhurt you, now you come dey talk say nobody dey your shoe. Of course we no dey your shoe, but the time wey be say you dey grant interview, dey deceive us. They tell people say the king na very caring man, the king is very intelligent and is very smart. The king dey send im palace guards to bring food come give you. Na so na him train you for school. Na him make you be who you be today. Now you say you no dey safe again. Say na him make you run comot for palace. Na this one you no get rest of mind. You no dey fit dey sleep well. This one. So you no dey happy before. Now you come dey deceive us. Now you know the reason why you go that palace. Because me know, lady, you will be lady, will be say you graduate, you get your certificate for hand. You can't decide to go marry that kind of old man. When you know see that old man, you know go feel they do anything. When we say you get like 8 women for palace, you go join the 8 women there. Now you can't talk say nobody dey your shoe, nobody push you go there. And me no know the reason why Alaafin sef dey run, dey pursue you up and down, say they threaten you. I don't know why Alaafin Oyo dey do like that. Women full for that palace wey be say they dey there for am. I don't know wetin Alaafin Oyo dey use all this young lady dey do for palace. Wetin me I go call this? Why Alaafin Oyo dey do this kind thing? You go just pack the lady put for palace. If one comot, you go threaten her. So you follow Olori Badirat oh. Before Olori Badirat come free, come off for your hand. Now Olori Anu, now you still carry your eye. Now you don't see the pursue Olori Anu up and down. Leave the lady. Alaafin Oyo. Olori Anu say she no wan do again. Baba kò ṣe by force now. Ẹ fi sílẹ̀ ó lóun ò fẹ́ yín mọ́. Ṣé bóbìnrin pọ̀ láàfin? Ẹ kọjú mọ́ àwọn eléyìí tó wà láàfin bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Baba, may you leave Olori Anu alone. Leave Olori Anu alone. Let the young lady enjoy her life. Which one be say they threaten am up and down with children? When be say she no get rest of mind. Now when be say wetin she don plan to come outside to come do after she don leave palace, maybe na business she wan do, she go dey fear to go do her business. She go dey fear to go do business. She go lock herself for one place because she go dey think say if she come outside, maybe people go dey wey be say they will come carry and they will come arrest am. You know they fear. If person say no dey marry you again, king face your front. Marriage no be by force. Face the woman wey dey for palace there. You get another fine young ladies wey dey for palace there. You just this one na wickedness now. You wan just lock all the young lady wey be say e dey for that or you wan just lock all of them for palace. Only you wan get all the young lady wey be say the young men sef never see those kind young lady. Fine women with fine skin. And if this king dey marry women and as also fair women, now they marry you. Young lady, you come put them for palace. If they come out, you go say why they come out. Make they come out, you know go fit do them. You know be say they feel they wash underwear well. You know they feel they wash underwear well. So Alaafin Oyo leave them, make they go enjoy themselves, make they go face their life. Make they get wetin that they do for hand. You leave the young lady. If na business she won't start, leave her, make she start her business peaceful. Leave her alone with her children. She not talk say make you no see your children, but no dey threaten am. No dey threaten am. No be say you go dey meet the family, dey quarrel the family. The family will come dey run comot for house wey be say they build again. Alaafin Oyo take am easy oh. So my people, may na let me know wetin I think for the comment section. And if una never subscribe, may na subscribe so that una no go miss any celebrities gist wey I dey upload. Una bye till I come on our way next time. Bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.